What's up everyone? This is Rusty of Digital Installers and I have a really cool project here. Basically, I want to show you the beginning to the end of us remodeling our staircase. We added technology by using linear lighting. This company is called American Lighting and they have all different brightnesses. They're dimmable, they have colors. I want to show you what we did and how we transformed our staircase by adding technology and decor, creating a super cool look. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. All right, this is awesome. So basically what we are showing you is linear lighting in a stairwell. We show you right now the open studs because we took the drywall off so we can have the wainscoting as clean as possible. We wanted it as straight and flush as we can. This is an older house built in 1955 and we are showing you right now the low voltage wiring going to the starting point of the LED strip. So we wanted it from the top corner. So we actually mount our tracks that you call them, and this is us putting in the 16 feet. Actually it was 15 and a half feet, so we cut the remaining off at the bottom. We wanted it from the very top of the stair to the bottom, and we just wanted to follow the nice baseboard that was in there. Here we are adding the diffusers. The diffusers allow for the LED dotting to not show, so it's a very seamless array of light coming through. It is really clean and clear, but you have to use the right depth track and the right diffusers. And here we did high density bright 3000 lumen American Lighting tape. So you can see here, super bright, even during the day. It lights up the whole stairway, and we did really good testing here before we started doing all the wainscoting and everything else. We think it's a lot easier to put the diffusers on as you slide them in than to try and put them in and sandwich them in, which you can definitely do that. But we like just putting it in, testing everything first before we even finish the baseboard, and then we start the wainscoting. So here we were testing, make sure everything was 100%, which it is. As you can see, we still have a lot of little construction going on and stuff everywhere. But we love the illumination. We're super excited. Filming this as we go. Really, really cool effect and ambiance. Here you can see we jump forward. We already did the wainscoting, really cool design and cool paint. We are taking off all the precautionary tape from the painting, and yes, we are practically done. We added the carpet runner along the stair line and we are complete. Pretty awesome project using linear tape lighting on a staircase. If you have any questions, you can let me know, but I'm going to show you also before and after pictures, which is pretty cool transition.
The TrueLux system from American Lighting creates a new standard in linear lighting and control. Impressive light output and varying levels of IP ratings bring a huge variety of options to the commercial and residential market. There are 6 categories of TrueLux tape. They include single color white standard, high output, and spec grade. Also, there is tunable CCT, 3-in-1 RGB, and RGB plus white. All of the white light products in the TrueLux system have a CRI of 94 or more, accurately showing colors and creating a natural light. There are 4 single color temperatures of white light, plus tunable CCT that ranges anywhere from 2700 to 6000 degrees Kelvin. Our snap connectors are reliable and easy to work with. Convenient accessories include multiple jumper lengths and connector types designed for quick installation. Aluminum extrusions are available for recessed and surface mount applications, including several specifically for creating drywall recessed slot fixtures and linear fixtures. Trulux controllers dim single color, tune and adjust tunable white light, or create dynamic color changing effects. Use wall mount touch or dial controllers, or remote RF controllers to easily adjust light levels or recall preset scenes. You can even set up your Trulux application on your smart device for even greater color control freedom. Our Trulux app is available now on the Google Play Store and App Store for single color white tuning and color tuning your Trulux system. Tape light adds a luxurious feel to kitchens with layers of light above, below, and inside cabinets. Use inside coves, shelving, and other